How to create an account on MyCreds.ca. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on MyCreds.ca. So to do that, first of all, log into any web browser of your choice, and in the web address bar, simply type in MyCreds.ca. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of MyCreds, where you'll have to basically tap on the login option on the top right side of your screen. After that, if you already have an account, you can simply log in, but if you are not, you can basically sign in using your education provider, your Google account, your Facebook account, or your LinkedIn account. So choose whichever one you like. So for now, I'll simply sign in using my education provider. So I'll simply type in my institution, then tap on the option continue. After that, you will have to sign in to your education provider, or basically my college account. So I'll enter my college email address, and then I'll enter the password of my college account. Now enter the password of your college account and then tap on the option sign in. Now you might have to approve sign in request by doing the two-step verification. And once you've done that, simply tap on the option next, or you can also enter your non-expiring personal email address. Tap on the option next, and then create a new password for your MyCreds account. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option yes, I agree to end user terms and privacy policy, and then tap on the option next. Now enter the code that you will get on your mail address. As you can see, this right over here is the code, so I'll simply copy and paste the code. Now tap on the option next, and there you have it. So that is basically how you create an account on MyCreds.ca. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.